Molly for Memories here. Famed photographer Dorothea Lange once said that photography takes an instant out of time, altering life by holding it still. If you're a photographer, chances are you became one because you love capturing that instant out of time. But what you may not love are all the other tasks that take time away from concentrating on what you do best. If you'd like to spend more of your time capturing your clients' special moments and less with everything else, we can provide a multiple of services that, whether white labeled under your umbrella or referred out to us, will greatly add to your clients' memories and experience while making you look fantastic. Here are just some of the services that we offer you. But first, a reality of the times, dealing with guest photos and video. You know better than anyone that due to the prevalence of the smartphone, it seems like everyone today is an amateur photographer and videographer. And at any special occasion, they're snapping and recording away. And while these pics certainly aren't the quality of what you would take, guest pics often capture candid moments that clients increasingly want to have included in their memories of the event. We've developed a streamlined process that gathers all the guest photos and video clips, winnows them down, and then edits them so that they look their best. And speaking of editing, we have extensive expertise so that we can not only provide the light editing your photos might need, such as cropping, exposure, and color correction, but also other editing services that you may not even offer until now, such as background replacements. Whether you need to remove just some background distractions or replace a background totally, we can take care of it. Or how about recomposing group photos? At any special occasion, you're usually asked to take photos of a group, and knowing that inevitably someone's eyes will be closed, you'll take multiple shots of the same group. You then pick the best one to give to the client, but you'll still likely have peeps that don't look so great. We can offer you a different alternative. Before doing any curating, just send us all the takes of any group photo. What we can then do is build a composite photo, taking the best shot of each individual person in the group and compile it into one great-looking final photo. And lastly, by partnering with us, you could offer your clients products that you either may not be currently offering or wish you could contract out, such as albums. Now, some photographers absolutely want to design and provide their own albums, but if you'd rather concentrate on your photography, we can help. We're expert at designing albums and provide efficient online proofing for your clients and/or you so that the final album is exactly how you want it. You can then either have it printed with your choice of print labs or with ours. You can get more information about our different album lines at yourmemoriesathand.com and see sample albums in the album gallery. Or how about incorporating both your photos and the guest photos and video clips into a video fusion show? This genre is often called a slideshow, but that term just doesn't describe what we do. Our fusion videos are not the run-of-the-mill slideshows that you would typically see. Rather, we create an experience that is as special as the memories your clients are celebrating. We take the best of the photos and video clips taken at any occasion and combine them with music to make memories that are far more powerful than any media seen by itself. In addition, our experience is that by incorporating video clips of important moments taken by guests, it often eliminates the need for a separate videographer. A video fusion show not only captures and preserves the memories of the event, but it can also provide entertainment at the event. Some examples are anniversary parties, where the show relives the couple's years together, or before a wedding ceremony or during the cocktail hour showing the couple's courtship. You can get more info on our fusion shows at Your Memories at Hand, as well as see sample clips in the Fusion Show Gallery. And don't forget, custom designed wall art, which gives the client beautiful ways to showcase your best photos on high quality medium, such as gallery blocks. metal prints, stretched canvas, glass, clusters, and splits. You can get more info about our different wall art options at Your Memories at Hand, as well as look at samples in the wall art gallery. Photographer Bert Uzel has said that photography is a love affair with life. If you'd like to spend more time on your love affair, we hope you'll connect with us, because while we help people to organize and share their memories, our clients are always looking for a great photographer to help capture new ones. You can connect with us at Your Memories at Hand, on Facebook, on Twitter, LinkedIn, and on Pinterest. As you capture your clients' special moments, we look forward to helping you turn them into memories that will last forever.